Hello everybody, good evening to all of you. Hope that all are fine and also doing well by the mercy of Allah. And in this moment, I would like to say something about in this location. Okay, so dear friends, actually today I have come here in this location, and this location name actually Sandodinga Hill, and I visited this location, and actually I have come this location first time, and very nice location when I visit this location. So there are so many person like tourist tourism and picnic party, so arrange this location. There are so many people, they have also come here every day because this is the very famous place, and actually Sandorninga main Mundir situated in this place. Okay, wow, very amazing. So you can see behind me, this is the Sandorninga Mundir and entry room. So there are so many people and enjoy your like a picnic party. So you can also listen these songs like Zubin Garg songs. So very famous. Wow, very amazing, and there are so many person and enjoy your picnic party. And today actually we have come here. Actually, I have come here with my own friends. He also take some photos, and I also so many photos I already take. And now I am on make a video for blog video, and yesterday I not made any blog video, and today I have come here for video making purpose and some photos. So that is why I have come here. Okay, so actually today when I come here in this location, my mind actually fresh because this location, this place, so very amazing and very good place. And wow, actually when you will come here in this location, your mind actually fresh, and so that is why I have come here for in this location. Okay, so dear friends, and all place I visited, and now it is 3 p.m. and now I will go home, and I will return my home. Okay, so my friend actually called me, and I will go to home, and my video actually ends. So thank you, bye bye, next time, see you.